V Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So now Krishna says that that's all right, you are for temporarily, you go on fighting, and when you get the kingdom, you'll be happy. There's no need of making a guru. Neither it is just like ordinary man, they think so, that we are earning so much money. What is the use of making a guru? I can understand everything in my own way. And another rascal is, yes, jatamat tatamat. Whatever their opinion, that's all right. You can make your own opinion, that is going on. You can make your own opinion to understand God. All foolish rascals, they are making their own opinion. No, that is not possible. Therefore, Arjuna says, Abhapa bhuvo asapatnaridhyam. This is a very significant word. Sapatni. Sapatni means rival wife, co-wife. If a man has got 2-3 wives, why 2-3? Our Lord had 16,100. So this is God. So sapatna, but there is no competition. You will find in the statements of all the queens in Krishna book, when they are talking with Draupadi, every wife was giving description. Yeah, how much she was anxious to become maid servant of Krishna. Nobody is rival in the material world. If a man has got more than one wife, there is rival. Rival. This example is given in the Srimad Bhagavatam, that just like we have got our senses, similarly, if somebody has got a different wife, so one wife is snatching him, that you come to my room. Another wife is snatching, you come to my room, because he is perplexed. Similarly, we have got these wives, the senses. The eyes are dragging, please come to the cinema. The tongue is dragging, please come to the restaurant. The hand is driving somewhere else, the leg is driving somewhere. Our position is like that. The same man who has got different wives and dragging him different rooms. This is our position. So, why this position? Because these wives are rivals. Here, asapatna. If there are many kings to claim one property, there is difficulty. But what Arjuna says, Obapa bhumao asapatna ridhyam, getting riches for which there is no other claimant. I am the only proprietor. Even if I get such riches, rajyam, such kingdom, suranam apichadipattam, not only kingdom of this world, but also kingdom of higher planetary system. These men are trying to go to the moon planet, but that is also another kingdom. Another kingdom. So that kingdom belongs to the higher living entities, those who are known as demigods. They are very powerful. Just like Indra. Indra is very powerful, controller of the rains. He has got the thunderbolt. But people do not believe this. But we believe. What is described in the Vedic literature, not believe, you have to believe. This is fact. Where from this thunderbolt is coming? Who is arranging for the rain? There must be some director. As in government state, there are so many departmental management. Similarly, in God's government, there must be so many directors, so many officers. They are called demigods. Devarshi bhutato ninam kitrina. Devata, the demigods, they are also supplying us by the order of Krishna. Just like Indra. Indra is supplying us. Therefore Indra Jogga. there is sacrifice for satisfying the different demigods. Krishna stopped this Indra Yajna, Govardhan. When Nanda Maharaj was arranging for Indra Yajna, Krishna said, my dear father, there is no need of Indra Yajna. That means anyone who is Krishna conscious, for him there is no need of any Yajna. Especially in this age, Kali Yuga, it is very difficult to perform different types of Yajna. That was possible in the Treta Yuga. Kite jadhyato Vishnu tritayam jajato makhai. Makhai means Yajna, performing Yajna. Yajñārthe karmannatro lokayam karma bandhana. So these formulas, this direction, nobody is following. It is not possible in this age. Therefore, the Shastra injunction is Jaggai Sankirtanai Prayai Jajanti Hi Sumedhasa. Those who have got good brains have stand. So, instead of bothering with so many things, one performs Sankirtan Jagga. These are the statements in the Shastra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,